Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I'm teacher Azida. Okay class, today we are going to learn on module 1, where are you from? Present simple. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use present simple correctly and appropriately. Okay, now we look at some vocabulary. I want all of you to repeat after me. Go camping. Go camping. Sunbathe. Sunbathe. Make sandcastles. Make sandcastles. Go fishing. Go fishing. Collect seashells. Collect seashells. Swim. Swim. Go canoeing. Go canoeing. Play beach volleyball. Play beach volleyball. Dive. Dive. Cinema. Cinema. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Summer. Summer. Now we do this exercise together. You have to match the pictures to the correct phrase. Look at the first picture. What is that? Yes. Make sandcastles. Now look at the second picture. What is that? Sunbathe. The next picture. What is the answer? Swim. The fourth picture. What is that? Yes, go canoeing. Now look at the next picture. Play beach volleyball. Okay, now look at picture number 6. Go camping. Okay, the next picture. Go fishing. And the last one. Go for a walk. Now I will explain to you about the present simple. Are you ready? Okay class, now look at this table. Present simple. The rule, subject plus verb. Sometimes we have to add s to the verb or es or ies. Okay, the singular subjects are I, you, he, she, and it. The plural subjects are you, we, and they. Okay, as you can see there, for the singular subjects I and you, we don't have to put s to the verb. Okay? Now look at this column. For the positive statements, we have to add s to the verb for the singular subjects he, she, and it. Okay, let's read together. I run, you run, he runs, she runs, it runs. You run, we run, they run. Now we look at the negative statements. We have to add the word don't or doesn't. Don't for singular subjects I and you, and for plural subjects. Doesn't for singular subjects he, she, and it. Okay, let's read together. I don't run. You don't run. He doesn't run. She doesn't run. It doesn't run. You don't run. We don't run. They don't run. Okay, now look at the question. Okay, we have to add the word do or does. Okay, do I run? Do you run? Does he run? Does she run? Does it run? Do you run? Do we run? Do they run? Okay, now we look at the answers. For singular subject I, we say yes I do or no I don't. For singular subject you, we say yes you do or no you don't. For singular subject he, we say yes he does or no he doesn't. For singular subject she, we say yes she does or no she doesn't. For singular subject it, we say yes it does or no it doesn't. Now we look at the plural subjects. You, we say yes you do or no you don't. For the plural subject we say yes we do or no we don't. For the plural subject they, we say yes they do or no they don't. Remember, singular subject use does or doesn't, except for I and you. I and you use do or don't. Plural subject also use do and don't. Okay, remember class, in the question and negative form of the third person singular, the main verb doesn't take an S or ES or IES. It means that we have to use the root word. For examples, does she go for a walk at night? He doesn't swim in the summer. Does Honey drive in the morning? He doesn't sleep after school. And please remember that for the singular subjects, sometimes we have to add S to the verb or ES or IES. Okay, look at the examples. Verb plus S, he eats the noodles. Verb plus ES, she watches the TV. Verb plus IES, Honey studies in the UK. Read and make questions. Okay, you have to read the sentences first and then you make questions from the sentences. Number 1. They go to the cinema on Sundays. The keyword here is they. They is the plural subject, so we use do. Do they go to the cinema on Sundays? Number 2. Tracy gets up at 9 in the morning. The keyword here is Tracy. Tracy is the singular subject, so we use does. Does Tracy get up at 9 in the morning? Remember that I told you just now, in the question of the third person singular, the main verb doesn't take an S or ES or IES. So that's why we use get. We cannot use gets. Understand? Okay, now look at number 3. Tom dives in the summer. The keyword here is Tom. Tom is the singular subject, so we use does. Does Tom dive in the summer? Number 4. Jim and Mary go camping in July. The keyword here is Jim and Mary. Jim and Mary is the plural subject, so we use do. Do Jim and Mary go camping in July? Okay, now let's do this exercise. Write the negative. Okay, this statement is in positive, so you have to write the negative. We sunbathe in the summer. The keyword here is we. We is the plural subject. So the answer is we don't sunbathe in the summer. Number 2. I go canoeing in September. The keyword here is I. So the answer is I don't go canoeing in September. Now look at number 3. Lucy walks to school every morning. The keyword here is Lucy. Lucy is the singular subject. So the answer is Lucy doesn't walk to school every morning. Why we don't use walks? Because I told you just now, in the negative form of the third person singular, so the main verb doesn't take an S. So you don't have to put S to the verb. Number 4, John goes fishing at night. The keyword here is John. John is the singular subject. So the answer is John doesn't go fishing at night. Okay, there's a word doesn't, so it means that this is the negative form of the third person singular. So the main verb doesn't take an ES. So we cannot say John doesn't go fishing at night. So that's why the answer is John doesn't go fishing at night. Read and complete. Use do, does, don't, or doesn't. Look at question number 1. You play beach volleyball in the summer? Yes, I. Okay, the first keyword is you. So, the answer is do. Do you play beach volleyball in the summer? The second keyword is I. And there's a word yes. So you cannot say yes, I don't. But the answer is yes, I do. Question number 2. Faye make sandcastles on the beach. No, she. The first keyword here is Faye. Faye is the singular subject. So we use does. Does Faye make sandcastles on the beach? The second keyword is she. And there's a word no. So you cannot say no, she does. But the answer is no, she doesn't. The next question. They go camping every year? No, they like camping. They stay at a hotel. Okay, the first keyword here is they. It's a plural subject. So we use do. Do they go camping every year? The second keyword is they. So the answer, no, they don't. And the next keyword is they. Okay, read this sentence again. They like camping. They stay at a hotel. So the answer is they don't like camping. They stay at a hotel. Okay, question number 4. Your cousin go for a walk every day? Yes, she. She loves it. Okay, the keyword here is cousin. Cousin is a singular subject, so we use does. Does your cousin go for a walk every day? The second keyword is she. So the answer is yes, she does. She loves it. Question number 5. The dog swim in the sea? No, it. It hates the water. The keyword here is dog. Dog is the singular subject, so we use does. Does the dog swim in the sea? The second keyword is it. No, it doesn't. It hates the water. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye.